Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate for churros. Start by gathering good dark chocolate, whole milk, cinnamon, sugar, and cornstarch. Melt the chocolate gently with a splash of milk, whisk in the rest and the cornstarch slurry, then simmer until thick and smooth. Taste and adjust sugar or cinnamon, then serve piping hot with fresh churros for dipping every time. Gather your ingredients and measure precisely for consistent results. Chop 8 ounces of dark chocolate and warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 cup water. Whisk 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into a small amount of cold milk to make a smooth slurry. Slowly incorporate melted chocolate into warmed milk and simmer gently until it thickens to a dippable consistency that clings to churros. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great on churro runs because nobody wants a stinky ride after frying. I dropped a link and some other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Melt your chocolate slowly and keep the heat low to preserve texture and flavor. Once melted, whisk in warmed milk and then the cornstarch slurry while stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Allow the mixture to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickly coats a spoon, then taste and adjust sweetness or spice. Serve immediately with warm churros for the ideal dipping experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.